Hi, this is a video on how to install the DitoTrade application on your computer. So you need to download the installer, double click on it, click next, wait a couple of seconds, it's almost ready, and click finish. We close this link, we don't need it.
Incoming mail.
And here is the platform installed on our computer. Now we need to create our first demo account. To do so, we go File, open an account, we select DitoTrade Limited, click Next, we select the first option, open a demo account. Here we need to fill in some information, also our email, a mobile phone, and the initial deposit that we need. Let's make it 10,000. Click I agree with the terms and conditions, click Next, and we are ready. Here are the login details, and click Finish.
Incoming mail.
Now we have our new demo. Here is the initial demo account balance, and now if we want to use the editor navigator, we close all the charts, we keep only one, right click on the chart, templates, and click Ditto Tools. Here we have the editor navigator ready to help us with our analysis.